balance is overrated. I'll give you contrast and emotion. It's giving modern gallery energy. Look! Just a sec. Oh, wow! This is awesome! I'd hang that in my room. Huh? I'm so sorry. I'm gonna fix it, I promise. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Real art is born from chaos. Watch me turn this oops into a wow! It's like I just created fairy pebbles. So… wow, so magical! Glinda the Good Witch would approve. I could really use a cold drink. Hey, you gotta take a hydration break. Good idea. Huh? No! Bad idea! And there goes all my hard work. I really messed up. Don't be so hard on yourself. Who says accidents can't be inspiration? This is the bottle method. I just invented it. No brush needed. Recycling at its best, huh? When in doubt, use all the colors. And spin the wheel. Just make sure to cover the floor first. It's a messy process. Now this next step will make all the difference. A dash of glitter. Did I say a dash? Who am I kidding? I meant a lot. More sparkle, more magic. Whew! You gotta have strong lungs for this. I'll name this the Golden Galaxy. Wow! You're a creative genius! The floor's a mess, but this was totally worth it. Agreed. Bet the Caribbean Sea is this color. And my canvas is blooming. Yay! It's break time! Watch out! No! Uh-oh, I'm sorry. It was an accident. My bouquet. My lovely bouquet. Wait, I'll make it right. Let me clean that. You made things even worse. Okay. I have an idea. It better be good. Fingers crossed, but no promises. Your flowers might be flooded, but I'll turn them into something magical. A glowing moon to fix the mood. Every night scene needs something mysterious. It's getting a little eerie, and I love it. Wow, I'm vibing with this spooky twist. Just you wait. It's gonna give haunted forest vibes. And this fella here is its spirit guardian. Finished! The witching hour never looked this good. That moonlight gave me an idea. If the sun's gone, my flowers can still glow in the dark. I want my work to be precise and clean. That's why I use the tape. A nocturnal garden. Mysterious, calm, and beautiful. Glowing petals, silver light, soft shadows. Night colors are trickier but way more magical. A little blue and a touch of silver. Oh, perfection! The moon's light makes everything shimmer differently. See? The tape's made a huge difference. It's giving romantasy novel cover. Okay, I'm officially in love with my own painting. Wow! It's like a painting from a dream. We're really good at fixing accidents. Get it? Yeah. Keep writing unicorn to manifest one into reality. Sabrina, check this out. I don't get it. Oh. Okay. You don't like the idea, huh? Aw, no, I didn't mean that. I need to cheer her up. But how do I do that? Can I grab that for a sec? Huh? What are you gonna do? It's a surprise. Writing the word unicorn one time should be enough. Now watch carefully. Words are powerful, especially when they turn into art. Gotta give her a mane worthy of a legend. Her horn is the source of all her magic. Wow, this is the best art hack ever! I'm not even done yet. Let's make this unicorn shine like a rainbow dream. She's about to be the prettiest creature on paper. Ta-da! It's all yours! Aww! My planner got the ultimate makeover! Thank you! She's happy again! Yes! I love her. Let's see what happens when I mix these colors. Gotta clean my brush. And back to mixing. Scrolling next. Now adding the final color. Oh, my drink! Oh, I'm so sorry. That's okay. Happens to all of us. Ugh, I feel so bad. I can't get her a new drink now, but I can make her an apology gift. Straws aren't just for drinks, you know. A few cuts here, and something beautiful is about to bloom. Dip it into white paint. And would y'all look at that! DIY daffodils! If I make a dozen, does that count as a bouquet? The paper's turning into a meadow. A touch of yellow, and they come to life. Okay, now they look complete. The painting is done. I made this for you. Wow, so pretty. Thank you. I'll hang it inside my locker. So glad you liked it. Small brush, big brush. Help! No brush is the correct answer. I need that plastic bag. Keep the apples. Hey! You do you. Oh, yeah, this'll be perfect. Dab, dab, just like that. And bam! One more time. More! I'll name this painting Peaceful Pond. Aw, look at him. So cute! But now he needs friends. Yay! They're all besties swimming! I'm so proud of my work. For you, bestie! Wow! This is so adorable! Art class is the best! Couldn't agree more! I brought all my favorite pens this time. Yeah, mine are here too. In my former makeup bag / new pencil case. Wait! They're not here! I swear I remember putting them in here! Oh man, this is so frustrating. I'm sorry. You can use mine if you want. Thanks, but no. I needed them for what I had in mind. Hey, how about… Hey, that's a great idea! Let's do it your way then. Who knew carrying Q-tips would come in handy in art class? Tiny dots, big forest, you'll see. Sometimes the weirdest tools make the coolest art. And here's the proof. Using different shades for depth. Every dot adds a little life to my tree. Leaves. Done. Now let's get these trees standing tall. And… here it is! One perfect little tree! It's simple, but so pretty, right? Yep. Unlike mine. It's yours. Aw, thanks!